This is Kelly Tomcat, and today I'm going to talk to you about Joe Bell 2020. This film had a huge emotional impact on me. The central theme is bullying. It's based on a true life story. Mark Wahlberg plays the title character Joe Bell. He's the father of Jaden, a teenage lad who has been bullied because he's gay. Joe is walking from Oregon to New York City. Whilst he's ambling along really busy roads, Jaden comes to talk to him, explaining his perspective on the world. On this coast-to-coast journey, Joe is visiting schools and he's got a simple message about stopping bullying. Jaden so wanted to live in New York. New York mattered so much to him as a place. He'd fit in so much better than in the small town. As the film progresses, we get to see the whole picture about how merciless the bullying was. Classmates urging the young lad to take his life. It's an awful situation, bullying. There's so much of it about, a lot of online bullying these days, of course, as well. Children always seem to pick on others for ethnicity, LGBTQ, disability. Joe is trying to make a difference. He's going from school to school, giving this message. It seems to be well received, but we don't see the full story about how much of a tragedy it has been for the family. We meet Jaden's mother. We see how Joe argues a lot. He's got quite a temper. He's really frustrated. He wasn't there to support his son when he most needed it, and that anger, in the end, he channels it in what he feels is a really constructive way by walking. And I love walking films. I'm very much into walking. A road trip on foot is an ideal film for me, and yet this was such a tragedy, such an upsetting film. So I think I'll score this film 9 out of 10. It's just had such an amazing emotional impact on me. Just thought, really, just the way it was put together, gradually revealing what has happened. You can find out on YouTube, on search engines. I didn't know anything about it before I saw it, and I just felt it was a really powerful way of getting across a strong message about how damaging homophobia is, how bad all forms of hatred against LGBTQ and many other differences. Children pick on each other, adults pick on each other. It is really awful. It can destroy lives. The more allies we have to encourage all of us to empathise, to act with kindness. That's the message I got from this film, and I'd urge you to see it if you can. And if you do, please let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.